Hazrat Hisham reports from his father, the people would send Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam gifts on Hazrat Aisha's day. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, all of the Prophet's wives gathered at Hazrat Salma's and said, O Salma, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the people send Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam the gifts when it is Hazrat Aisha's turn, whereas we need the wealth as Aisha radiyallahu anha needs. So you may request Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam to command the people to make him the presents wherever he happens to be, or in whichever house he is. So when Hazrat Salama conveyed the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam this message, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam turned his face away. When she repeated it twice or thrice, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Salama, don't annoy me regarding Aisha radiyallahu anha, for by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu the revelation has not been sent to me in the coverlet of any of you saves Aisha radiyallahu anha. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3775.